B2B product marketing isn't about the splash, it's about the long game. Between logic triggers, industry jargon, and educating multiple stakeholders with detailed content, B2B product companies face marketing challenges that consumer brands never encounter. At MarCom 24/7, we understand product companies because we specialize in them. We solve for retention, not just attraction. Our DemandGen 360 service starts with market intelligence, develops strategy, executes through optimized channels, and provides analytics for continuous refinement. We transform your product expertise into valuable content that builds trust and cements your market position across every stakeholder's preferred channel. We leverage goal-oriented social media campaigns that replaces cold calling with social selling and transforms you into a thought leadership engine. From startup marketing to escaping growth plateaus, we deliver data-driven campaigns that build sustainable relationships down the sales funnel. Ready to make marketing the data-driven, lead-pumping heart of your business? Contact MarCom 24/7 today.